Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, in this video I'll be doing the final walkthrough of my rental rehab. If you guys been keeping up with me, you'll know that this project been a journey, but I'm pleased to say that this journey is finally over. So, let us begin. These are just some pictures highlighting what the property looked like prior renovation. Now, let us begin our walkthrough. This is the entrance walkway. We redid the stairs. Luckily, we did not need to tear the stairs down, so we just framed over it with pine wood, stained and shined it. Let's make our way upstairs to the second unit where we'll begin. This is a little walkway area upstairs. Back there behind that door is the attic. I call the second unit vibrant due to the colors. I personally really like the colors because I think it adds more life to the place. This is the master bedroom. For the floors, I use life-proof vinyl plank flooring for the rooms and the living room. And for the kitchen area where it gets messy easily, I just use towel for an easy cleanup, just wipe it up. Second bedroom. Also, if you look up to the ceiling area, you'll see that the house is ventilated throughout. Back here going to the kitchen, but let's check out the bathroom. I'm really in love with this bathroom. Like, the tile is beautiful, the pattern, the floor, everything in this bathroom is nice. It just got me. Everything in this bathroom is pretty up to date, even down to the toilet. It's the flush press button toilet. The bathroom is also ventilated as well. Really nice, beautiful. Beautiful bathroom. Very big too. This is room number 3. Pardon the sleeping beds, the sleeping bags. I had my contractors and stay back, so they needed something to sleep on. This is the kitchen area. That's the cabinets. This color is really, it mellows me out. The backyard. Nice. Cabinet, ventilation system, like I said, throughout the unit. Very nice. Everything in this building is new, up to date. Very beautiful. Room number 3. Let's take another look inside of this bathroom before we go. This bathroom just got me. That's the second unit. Right now, let's check out the first unit, see what it's like. Make our way downstairs. Unit number 1. I call this unit Peaches and Oak due to the peach paint, oak floors, and oak vanity. You see, in opposed to upstairs where the vents are in the ceiling, on Unit 1, the vents are on the floor, as you can see. This is the master bedroom. 2 big windows offering a lot of light. Ventilation system on the floor. In Unit 1, I use vinyl plank flooring on the bedroom floors, but in the living room, the floors did not need to be changed because the floors were still in good condition when I acquired the property. So instead of redoing the whole floors, we just buffed, polished, and stained over the living room floors. We made sure that in the living room, we used a color that matches the bedroom. This ultimately saved us significant time and money as well, because we didn't have to buy a whole bunch of vinyl planks flooring. This is back area. This is unit number 1 bathroom. These bathrooms are so big. I really like this bathroom as well. Bathrooms are really nice. Everything in this unit is also well up to date as well. Very nice, man. Tiles for these back areas, these back walkway areas. All my walkway areas are tiled. Easy cleanup. Cabinets. I like these oak cabinets. These are really nice. Going here, this is the 3rd bedroom. Here, let's check out. Let's see the backyard. To the left is a storage room. Wow, beautiful. So on we go back into the kitchen area. Let's just take one more quick peek at the bathroom. So nice, man. These bathrooms are so nice. Well, that's about it, guys. I just want to publicly thank God for getting me this far, allowing me to complete this project. It was extremely difficult, but I got it done. I'll definitely be doing more projects where I'll be going into more details as far as how to acquire these properties and cut renovation costs. Let me know also if there's any particular video that you guys would like me to do, and like and subscribe. Thank you.